Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. It's today 6/9, 2025. It's around 8 o'clock in the morning. Looking at oil here, we are breaking this huge trend line all the way from the top over here. Um, so we have one touch, two touch, and then we had a third touch. Oops, we had a third touch right there, as you can see, and now we're breaking. So I'm going to take a long because we finally broke this, as you can see here. I'm going to take just one here.
Order filled.
I like it a lot. Stop loss would be around there, so around 87, which I like it a lot. I just really wanted to get into it before it really starts going, before the market opens. Um, yeah, I like this a lot. I like this. We've been in this forever. So as you can see here, from this line to this yellow line, from here, we've been going just back and forth, back and forth. Here we saw it a little bit more now, and we're finally breaking. We have a nice bull flag here. So I like the risk to reward here. We're breaking. I wanted to get into it fast and let it go. Another thing, guys, our high, I was looking at it yesterday night. Our high was 808 before we had that massive drop again. So we are around $40, $50 below our new times highs on this account. They're new. So hopefully we can break that today and get new highs on that. And hopefully by the end of the week, we should be able to break 1,000. Hopefully, but we'll see. We had a good last week, so that was good. Sorry if you couldn't hear me. I moved my mic now closer. But yes, looking good now. I'm gonna keep this here. Stop loss. We're in the hourly. I really should be around here, honestly. But I'm gonna keep it here just because for now. I will come back after market open, because once the market open, we'll do something like this, and then it'll keep going up. So I do like it here, so I'm gonna keep it going here, and we'll come back later on. Just to give you things I'm looking at today, Nasdaq, nothing really going on here. Unless it gets another touch here, then I like to play longs, keep going up. But until then, shorts, if it breaks this, would probably be the play. The other thing is gold, guys. Gold, it's just. So if you remember last week, we caught this break right here. We caught it to like right here or something. And it kept going down that same day, went all the way to here, and then, kind of came back up. But I think it finished like around there. That was Friday, guys. So we would have held, we would have gotten this whole ride. We sold like around like here, guys. Which is crazy that then it kept going all the way down, which is really, really annoying. And then look, it went all the way down even to here. Which is just disgusting. Now it's back up a little bit, but you do have this trend line now that are expecting, so I want to see what happens there. You have one, you have two, you have 3, 4, 5 touches, so I like this one to go longs if it breaks and holds. But that would be a wide stop loss, because it would be this line until it makes a low and then keeps going up, and then we'll have a new stop loss, but then it will be this one. So that's a wide stop loss. So we'll see how that plays, if we can break during market open or whatnot. Platinum, just breaking here again. It just broke, coming back there. Nothing to do here. Just because it's, if you look at it's just new highs. There's nothing for us to do here. So we're in the daily right now, and it's breaking this right there. So it's like, okay, not much to do there. This just goes to like this high right here, and that's about it, and like nothing else to do here. Like it touched that high, and like that's it, nothing to do with platinum, and it's just too high right now. If we are playing what we want to play, it would be this line, and we're just waiting, because these are just one touch, two touch, and that's it. So we're gonna see what happens with platinum. Interested to see what happens. Silver, similar scenario. We're not doing anything until this line does anything. On the hourly, you have one touch, two touch, and then we're just kind of following here along. We could make another line right there. If it breaks, that would actually be a really nice line, because you have one, two touch, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's make that a nice break line, but we'll see if we can break. The problem is that there's up there we have to do like no stop loss up here. See, that's the problem. So that's why I don't want to take it, because like, yeah, that's like the highest it's been in like, I think I checked it out. It's the highest it's been since 2011. So, what do you do? If it breaks, I think we could take a short with stop loss just being those highs, that 36 and 595. But it's kind of a risky trade because we even know what's going on. So I'd rather take something that's more of my setup. MES, I haven't looked at it yet, but very similar. Yeah, very similar to what we're looking at the NASDAQ. So we're just looking at here with this being there. Seeing what happens. So it needs another touch. It might break. So we'll see. We'll see what happens there. Copper. Okay, let's look at copper. What's going on here? So we did break on copper here. What was this? Friday, I believe. But now it's not respecting it. It broke the stop loss. I didn't take a trade on this, so that's nothing because it's still making that. So yeah, not much to do there on copper besides that. That's about it. Oh, it's got a 3 touch. Actually, this one, if it breaks, I like shorts there because you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4 touches here. So if it breaks, I like it for shorts with this being your stop loss. Once this candle finishes, to see where the stop loss would be. Let's see the Dow. Dow's very similar to the ES. So same thing, waiting here. A lot of kind of a short setup, setting up, but still not concluded. And then the Russell. Oh wow, Russell broke this trend line over here from all the way up here. Yeah, but it was only 2 touches, so we're not playing it. So we'll delete that for now. If this breaks, that would be nice, but let's see where is the next high. But you can't even make it to high because it's your high. So if you make it from here, let's say even from all the way over here, it goes to this high, because all of these are broken. So you really don't have anything to do there. So we'll wait. But everything we have on right now is this gold, this oil position, Hopefully we can really rip and really start get going. That's all I wanted to see you guys, and I'll come back later on. I'll grab some breakfast right now or something, and we'll come back to see hopefully this position. Stop loss at 63 right there, breaking this up, down below this. And we'll come back later, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye now. Alright, guys, we're back here again. It's around 9:30. Market's going to open in around 30 seconds or so, a little more. I ain't going to move my stop loss. I think I'm going to actually move it, and this is going to be kind of to all the way here. 151. And it's a little wide because I'm looking at this candle, but just because the market's going to open and it kind of might do this, we'll come back, trace this, and then go up. So I'm going to delete this right now for now and really just go based off this. So this is definitely a wide stop loss, but I do like it that we are breaking and, here. If we can make it like another little like low here or something, then that's where I would really like to push. There we go. Hopefully it doesn't just come right down and hit us. That would be very, very annoying. But again, this was what we were looking at over here. So obviously you have 1, you have 2, and then you have your third right here. And then, yeah, we're going to keep it going right now. I was hoping that pre-market we would be, bounce off, but it didn't. So we'll see. Hopefully we can really push up. Let's see what the NASDAQ is doing. Market just opened. No, we're in the 4 hours. It's 1 hour. There we go. Nothing crazy. Yeah. What time? Is there anything to... Let's see. Monday, 10 a.m. Okay. Just wholesale. Inventories. It might break this, but again, I'm not taking it. That's not something I really want to take. Okay, gold. Yeah, gold would have been a nice short from here. Even to here, it's still nice, but we're not taking it. It would have been nice to take longs here, so we're just going to wait. Hopefully we can break this and we'll go longs. Oil, we're dropping. Down around $50 now. That's why I don't want to keep this because it is the hourly, like I said. Let's see. Now we can, there we go. 140, so hopefully we can get a nice, it'll dump up and then come back down. We retest this level right there and then really push up. Because that would be a shame to take a $143 loss in the first on the Monday. But that's trading for you. We're playing our strategy, so nothing to worry about here. You know, if it hits us, it hits us. What are you gonna do? That's a strategy. Let's see. I think platinum was nothing to do with that. Platinum was just. I mean, if it breaks, that's now it's really starting to come along. So you have 1, you have 2 now, and now you have 3 there. So now if it does break, platinum do like for shorts, but so we'll look at that since gold is down. Platinum's up, geez, 3% still. So we'll see what happens. MES, let's see, breaking here, but that was only 2 touches, right? 1, 2 threes right there. So it hasn't really touched it yet. So yeah, we'll wait for that. Look at copper. Copper pushing. I was hoping that this would break and I could really. Wow, Tesla's down 4% after 14% last week. Jeez, it's just dropping. MYN, let's look at the Dow. Breaking this, but again, there's no third touch, so you really can't play it. Even though everything's, here we're just, not even look at the Russell. They don't have to do the Russell here. Let's look at the NASDAQ again. Yeah, nothing crazy. Just, I mean, here, it starts to break here. That's where I would really interested. But right here now, it's not really, just kind of staying where it's supposed to be. Go back to oil. This is where we are right now. So let's see what we can do. If we can really push up, since we are breaking. I maybe should have waited until that candle closed, guys. That's probably one of the things I need to work on is, because yes, we did break this hourly, but we broke it, and then the next candle was a reverse kind of hammer almost, even though it's up there. So, we'll see. We have our stop losses. Hopefully we can keep going up and really make a nice stop loss. I wonder if it's respecting this new line. I want to see. No, that would be it. No, that's not it. I was looking at the one that was before was this. But no, it's not respecting it. See, that we would have gotten stop loss. We would have gotten lost there $68. That's why I really didn't want to. We're close to it. I wanted to really wait, because honestly, it would be this. No, it would be that. That would be the stop loss if we went from here. But did like this is I want to see make it a low first so we can make a stop loss. If we start, I think, really dropping more, I might even take. But this is such a strong support here. As you can see here, look at this. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 touches, and it's just all the way from over here. So even this is a nice support right there. So that's why I want to wait, and I am keeping my stop loss a little wider. But we'll see. But I think that's it, guys. I will come back maybe later, see if we can touch something else. I don't want to keep you here forever. Make this video longer than it has to be. There's nothing else to play. This is the only thing I might play. Gold longs if we start pushing. But that's about it. Anything else, I'll just keep on oil, and we'll be back, guys. Alright, guys, we're back here again. I'm gonna add another one here, guys. I really like here. Getting a little maybe over confident, but
Order filled.
I'm gonna add 2. I like it. My stop loss will be this candle right here. So on $100 now. It really kept this up right here. So it's gonna be my hold now. We held, come back. I like this. So T, you can push up. I will probably sell one maybe here at yeah, should be around, just to get out and take some profit. Let's push that up a little higher. There you go. Yeah, there we go. Just to get one out, take out some risk off. I really want to get new highs today, but I don't want to get too overconfident where then I get screwed up. So yeah, that's not gonna happen over there. As much as I would love for that. Where is our next? Let me just check something out, guys. I want to see where is our next. All right, so we're pushing. We are right here, right there. So Let's look at the daily. Look at the next resistance to see where. Okay, so exactly kind of where that red one is. That's kind of the next resistance right there. Perfectly, honestly, that 283. All right, so we're gonna keep it here. Look at the daily. It looks monster. So I'm gonna keep it here. See if we can push up, and we'll go from there, guys. Just wanted to give you that update. That I did add another one, so we have two now. Kept it here with the stop loss at 111 or so. So we'll keep it there, and hopefully we push this. I'll probably push this up a little further, just because I want to see to get a nice push up. So let's look at the 4 hour now. Yeah, I have it there. It's probably go up to like there to really push it up to that. Yeah, to kind of hold right there. But we'll keep it there. I might take it earlier, but I'll let you know what's going on. Just wanted to give you an update. Taking two, and we'll go from there, guys. We'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, we are back here again. We are pushing with those two contracts. Are up around $35. I think we were up around $51. I did move this limits the first sell that we have here to $81 in profit. Only reason is because I believe that our high was 808 or something like that. Yeah, 808 or so. So if we hit somewhere around here, I think once we hit balance of 808, I'll take the profit just so we will be at our highs for the account, and that way we can go ahead and move the stop loss. Maybe even to, honestly, I might even move it to break even, just so we have it and we can go ahead and be at the all-time highs of our account and be there. So that's going to be it. I think it's once we hit 808 here, I'll take one off. So I'll be watching that. Gold was one we were looking at. We did break here, but it came back down and goes way below. So I'm not taking it. Not yet, at least. This is what I'm looking at right now. This would probably be the stop loss. If we can get another candle above, I will get in. But I'm just waiting for now. And then the Nasdaq. So we broke this, but it's only two touches. So there's no third touch. It broke on the third. Huge boner candle there. So we're just waiting to see what happens there. So nothing really here. So this is invalid now because it broke. So waiting to see what happens. Not much to do, and because of this happened, that's why gold jumped. You wanted to check out what's platinum again. Just platinum doing its thing, just chilling. Nothing else. But we'll go back to oil again. Up $40 now. Once this gets to 808, so what? $6 more. So maybe a few more points. I might even bring it down just to get rid of one, take out the thing, and then just take out the all-time highs finally. And then, so we'll put it, I think it's right there. Yeah. Just so we can go ahead and close out. 808 is the all-time highs in this account. So we can go ahead and push up to that 808 mark. I'll take a profit. And I will move, even though I still have, I made this line right here so you can see. I'll probably actually want to do it right now. Just because I don't want to take that profit in case it comes back. But that way we break the all-time highs today. I'll probably break this to break even. So if it comes back, hits us, I'll be fine. We'll be at all-time highs in the account. And that's just a nice determination to keep going. To really just keep pushing and pushing on this account. Show everybody that we can be doing with just, little by little. You don't have to make $1,000 a day. Although we will get there eventually. Just little by little. So once this pushes $4 more, to go ahead and take. It's probably be around here. I'll take one off. So hopefully we'll get there, guys. Okay. All right, guys. Here we're back. Here we're 808. We just hit it, but I didn't take I didn't take it out yet because I don't know why I wasn't thinking about this. I guess I've just cut up in the thing. Is that this number balances if I take both of them out, not if I sell one. If I sell one, it's only half, so it won't be the balance. I don't know why. I don't know why I was thinking that, guys, but I wanted to just make sure that that's where we were. So I wanted to make sure because I don't know, it's been silly. I guess I was thinking like, oh, if I get 808 here now, boom, I'm done, and then I get to it's 808, but that's for with both, not with just selling one. Selling one, it's gonna be half. It's gonna be around $20 or so. So very silly of me, thinking that that was it. But I'll keep that. I'm gonna take one, sell one here at all on new highs just to keep some, and then I'll move the other one to stop loss to just keep going, just so we can really get a green day here, hopefully. But I didn't want to just come out here and say, hey, listen, I'm an idiot. That if to get 808, I have to sell both of them, not just one. But I don't really want to sell both of them. I really want to keep it going. So I'm gonna keep this as long as we can, and hopefully I will sell one here around here. It gets up here again, just to get some risk off, and go from there, guys. But yeah, hopefully it will go ahead and hit us, and then we'll just have one, and we'll keep it there. All right, guys, just wanted to jump back here. It did hit us, so we did get around $15 on that trade because that was the first entry. So now it's whatever I sell, that's what we'll go ahead and get the 808 and break that account. But I'm gonna go ahead and hold it. I am gonna put my break even, put it right there at 2, just because I don't want to take any loss. I think I'm getting a little emotional now because we're about to break this new, and I don't want to just hold it. So if it comes back, we break, it'll cover the fees. We'll have a small green day. I have this 48.50 here because hopefully we can push up. But I'll be that. If you can go ahead and push up higher, I'll go ahead and take it, and we'll break the new highs. But for now, we're going to keep it here. Sold my other one there. We have a stop loss at $2. It'll cover the fees, and we'll have a small green day if it comes back and hits us. But we're going to keep it as much as we can. All right, guys. All right, guys. We're pushing here. We're up around $40 now. Breaking our all-time highs here. I think I'm going to take profit here, guys. Not really because I'm going to take profit just because it's new all-time highs. We're up there. I think it could keep going, honestly. But I think I'm just going to take it just to really just push it and get it all to a high. Small red, start the week. I think I'm getting a little too tied up to this trade right now, and I might lose it. So I'm going to go ahead and take it here. That gives us $52 profit. Would have been nice if I kept 2. Would have been maybe around a little more. But I'm going to leave it there, guys. That was a good trade. And we made all-time highs. All-time highs before was 808. Now we're at 813. It might keep pushing, but that's fine. I'm going to keep it here. I like it. And then we're just going to keep going from there, guys. We will see you tomorrow. Let me just see something. I mean, might take another trade. We'll see. Gold is looking good. Wow, this looks really good for longs. Let's see what's going on with gold. Gold is down 0.03, 0.04% right now. So I do like it for longs here. But do we risk our all-time highs and keep going for another trade here? I'm going to wait. Once we made, it's good. Made our times secure. But I might take this. I'm going to see how this candle closes. So maybe I'll be back around midday and we'll go from there. But let's see what NASDAQ is doing. This dog is just chilling. All right, guys. I'll come back if we come back here in gold. I might take another long here. But that's about it for now. Or I might call it a day. We'll see. All right. I'll see you guys later.